All right, here we are on the Chapter 4 review with the solutions to numbers 25 through 30. I'm going to take the perspective of putting them all into y equals mx plus b format to be able to graph the borders before I do the shading. So let's start. This one was already there. Y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 7. So we start at negative 7, go 1, 2, 3 over 1. And then it's a solid line. Notice that right there. It's a solid line, so it's going to look like that. That's going to go up there. There we go. And then what side of the line is it on? Y is greater than. So we're going to shade above the line. So if you're on the line and you go up, it's going to be that direction. Alrighty, so the next one, if we were to subtract x over here and then divide by 4, we get y equals negative, I should say less than, y less than negative 1/4 x plus 6. So up about plus 6, and the slope is down 1 over 4. Goes about like that. Now notice this is a dashed line because there's no equals on there. So this is a dashed line going down through there like that. And it is y is smaller than, so we are less than. So we're down here. So the end result is where those two cross would be right in that area. Good deal. Okay, next one. We have 5x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 2. So subtract 5x and then divide by 3, and we get y is greater than or equal to negative 5/3 x plus 2. So this is a solid line, and we're going to be up at 2 and down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, like that. And that's going to be a solid line. There we go. Perfectly straight line right there. Excellent. And then the next one is y is greater than or equal to negative x minus 2. So this is already in y mx plus b format. So we're at negative 2, and we are going down 1 over 1. So about like that. Oh, wait, we didn't go which side of the line we should be on. So this one is greater than. So we're up here on that right there. Okay. And then this one, let's change the color so we can see both of them. We're at negative 2, and down 1 over 1. So this guy's going to go about like that. And there we go. So y is also greater than. So we have this right here. They then cross right here. That area out there. So it doesn't go all the way down to that blue line, or doesn't come all the way over to that red. All right. Number 27. We have the top one. Get y by itself, and we're going to subtract the x over, and so we get y is going to be greater than subtracting the x over, dividing by 3 plus 3. So we're up here at positive 3, and we have a negative 1/3 slope, down 1 over 3, and this is a dashed line, so it looks like that. There we go, and y is bigger than, so we're headed up. There we go. Now the other one, y is less than 2, so we're at 2 right here, and we are also dashed, and this says y is smaller than 2. So that's the line y equals 2, slope of 0. So we are just, it looks like just in that little sliver right here. So above this line and below that line. So it looks like right there is where they cross. Good deal. Number 28. 2x minus 3y is less than 6. So if we subtract 2x from both sides, y divide by a negative 3 is going to switch the sign. Notice this becomes y greater than. So negative 2x divided by negative 3 should be a 2/3 x minus the 6 divided by 3 is 2. So this line right here, you could do it with intercepts as well, with x is 3 and y is negative 2, but you'll see negative 2 is our y-intercept, and we're up 2 over 3 right there. And we're greater than, which means dashed line, because there is no equals, and y is greater than, which means we're headed up in that direction. Good deal. So we're up here. Now the other guy is 7x plus 3y is less than 21. So if we subtract 7x, we're going to have y is less than. We'll be dividing by a positive 3, so the direction will stay the same. Y is less than negative 7/3 x plus 7. Yeah, plus a 7 like that. So we are up here at positive 7. It might be somewhere up yonder. And then goes down 7 over 3. Hey, that's probably going to land on the same point. So this is a dashed line right here. And then y is smaller then. So it goes that way. If you're on the line, go down. And so that means the place where they cross it as a solution to the system of inequalities is that guy out there. Excellent. Next one, 29. Subtract 8x from both sides and we get y is greater than or equal to negative 8x minus 2. So we're at negative 2 and we got to go down 8 over 1. So down 8 over 1. Whoo, that's really steep. And so this is a solid line right there. Good. And then the other kind, let me see, the other one, if we get y by itself, we're going to subtract 5x from both sides. And then when we divide by a negative 2, that guy will switch directions. And we will have negative 5 over negative 2. That's positive 5 halves x plus 17 halves. All right, so we're at positive 17 halves, which is about 8.5, maybe about up there. And we're up 5 over 2. Wow. And this is a solid line as well. Man, I didn't mark that. Let's get that other guy out here. Y was greater than, so that means we're shooting up from the line. And the red is, yes, also shooting up. So that means where they cross will be just in this little sliver right up here. That would be the answer on that guy. Yeah, just a small little sliver headed up there. All right, number 30. 4x plus 7y is less than 2. So if we subtract 4x, we get negative 4x divided by 7. So that's on the x, and plus 2 sevenths. Okay, so we're at positive 2 sevenths. We do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, negative 4 sevenths, and this is a dashed line. And then on this one, we would have to subtract 2x and then divide by a negative 1. Oh, wait, this is y is smaller then, so we're going to head that way. So y subtract 2x, divide by a negative 1, so we're going to be greater than or equal to positive 2x minus 10. So we are going to be way down here and up 2 over 1, so it's going to be kind of steep, and it's a solid line because of that equals under there. And which way are we going? This is y is greater than, so up from the line. And so it looks like just back here in that little area there. So this guy is in both of them. It's the blue and the red. Okay, there we go.